think shocking is probably a word you can use. It's not really worrying, though. I mean, I think we're going to get these kind of big numbers we need to put the country back to work. And I'm not particularly concerned it didn't happen this month. I think there are a couple factors that may have played into it. First of all, a lot of things about this report don't make sense because we do have some very strong economic numbers. We do have a lot of stories about reopening and the economy. We have plenty of stories about hiring, jobless claims falling, some of the high-frequency data. It's a little mixed, but also shows strength out there. So it may be just a matter of timing and chronicling and getting the data right. Some of the things to worry about, obviously, are the issue of high unemployment benefits, whether that's keeping people out, schools not being open, concerns of workers going back to work because of health reasons. All of those are out there as things we may have to address that may be holding back the rebound.
Dana, what's your take? Is this something to be concerned about? And why did we have that miss versus expectations?
Well, certainly the recovery in labor markets is going to be uneven. You're going to have good months and bad months. This wasn't a great month. But it does not mean that we're on a downward trend here. We'll probably see very strong gains, 800,000 to 1 million per month going forward. And that's prefaced on the fact that when we look at growth last quarter, we grew almost 6.5 percentage points. We're looking for growth even stronger than that in the second quarter, healthy gains in the second half of this year. Again, I think some of the misses within the report include things like, well, maybe people aren't going to grocery stores. They're going to restaurants, right? Maybe they're not doing takeout, so they're going to restaurants. So we saw very strong gains in restaurants, not so much in grocery stores. Also, potentially you can have some ups and downs when we saw manufacturing weak and construction weak. But again, these are sectors that have been outperforming, and the fundamentals suggest that certainly the housing market is strong. There's still strong demand for manufactured goods, including tech. So I just think we just had a bad month.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.